In today's video, I want to guide you on how to enable all CPU core in Windows PC, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. This process is very simple. In 1 minute, guys, you are good to go. On your keyboard, combine Windows plus R to bring out this run box. Now type in msconfig, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it brings to this interface. Then click on boot option. Go ahead and click on advanced option. It brings to this interface. Make sure you share this number that says number of processor. Then click this drop down arrow and select the highest number here. Now click on OK. Come back to this place, click on apply button, click on OK. Then it requires you to restart your system, guys. Click on this restart button. And that's all, guys. You've been able to improve your system performance by increasing the number of CPU, which is known as central processing unit, on your laptop. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.